Hello guys, welcome to AppMania YouTube channel. Today I will show you learn to code with Google application. Look at the screen. These applications are made by Google. Google have made many applications. You, you can see this all kind of application is made by Google, the biggest company. Okay, I will show you this Grasshopper app. This app you can, without any cost, you can learn coding. This app promise in 5 minutes in a day you can improve your coding skills. I already have installed this application. I am also a user of this application. So you can see code with Google program. You can see practice session. I am skipping now. I have completed the fundamentals section 1. Means fundamentals means the first step. Okay, then second fundamentals have like this. I have completed almost all levels. It is easy to everyone. You can see very easy task. You can practice without coding skills. This practice section, these are the practice session. You can see the first one is drawing boxes. Okay, in this puzzle you will use the draw box function to draw two blow boxes. One row has been added for you. Try adding another. The instructions tab below draw box blue to bring up the keyboard. We have using mobile, so you can keypad. Okay, add another command to Dropbox, a second blue box, tapping Dropbox then blue. Okay, here the example. This is example. Okay, okay, here they are already done Dropbox blue. Okay, this next lesson means the Armenian flag. Okay, from the step 1 we have to do the Armenian flag. We will draw Armenian flag. Okay, we have already done it. Red, and add a new line. Blue, add new line. Orange, and just click on it. Already done. Yes, congrats, you used two different functions to create Armenian flag. This is just example I will shown. Okay, you can install this application from Play Store. Very helpful application if you are passionate to coding. Okay, I will show. You can just search on Play Store Grasshopper Learn to Code Free. It's completely owned by this application is Google, so it is very easy, and they have bug fixes and stability improvements have been done. Okay, very useful application. Okay, you can see the rating of this application is very good. All have been rated. This application is very good. It's 1 million downloads. I means 10 lakh downloads. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Keep supporting me. I'm new YouTuber.